Osun jẹ́ eré kan tí a kàn lè ṣe. Ìtàn kan ni tí a fi ara balẹ̀ kọ.
Ojú pé, ẹsẹ̀ pé, irinṣẹ́ pé, èròjà pé. Àmọ́ pàtàkì jùlọ, Ọlọ́run jogún ọpọlọ pípé fún wa ká fi ṣe. Ara mi ìrírí ni Òpó Ọ̀ṣun jẹ́ fún mi. Mo kọlà, mo jọba, mo pọ̀fọ̀, mo sọ èdè Ọ̀yọ́, mo ṣági lọ́gbẹ́, mo ta ògùrọ̀ lọ́fà, mo jẹ kúkúǹdùkún olóhùn akẹ́rìírí.
Inú mi dùn púpọ̀ láti kópa nínú eré Òpó Ọ̀ṣun.
As the unit production manager on the set of OPO OSUN, I would say we made magic.
It was indeed magic.
I concur. OPO OSUN is magic, and it will be the talk of the town for a very long time after its release.
Òpó Ọ̀ṣun is a job I will be proud always to say I directed it.
Ọ̀ṣunfúnkẹ́ o, Olaide kojú ló pè á o, fàbọ̀ sílẹ̀ o.
My character as Ọ̀ṣunfúnkẹ́ is a very mythical and a mystical one. We call her the dizzy angel because of her sleepwalking habits. And this habit will serve as a catalyst to the twist of this movie.
Omiyale, beautiful and manipulative. I love the impact my character has on the story. Funke played my mom and she helped me become the king's wife. And then trouble begins.
Agado! Aki fọmọ rẹ̀ bọ̀ rẹ̀. Ọmọ tó bá wùwọ ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ́mọ rẹ̀ kábíyèsí. Àmì rẹ̀. Ẹ méje ká díjú sábì ibi tí máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dún méje ká ṣe bó ṣe ń ṣe kó lè bá rí bí sí rí.
Olúwa mi o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ọdún méje àti ọmọ ọdún márùn-ún lẹ́sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ yìí.
Ọmọ kékeré tó bá ṣe ẹ̀sìn àgbàlagbà, ó sì di dandan kó jẹ̀yà àgbàlagbà.
I played Olori Ajun, the third wife of Oba Adeosun. The king had 3 wives, and everywhere was peaceful, not until King Adeosun decided to bring in the 4th, and another wife after the 4th.
Òpó Ọ̀ṣun talked about culture, among other things. Polygamy is part of African culture. The topic of polygamy played a major role in this movie. Èmi Olórí Fagade, Ìyá Àrólé, the mother of the first son of Ọ̀gbàgbàdéyànká. Ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé wàhálà máa wà.
I have never played a role this challenging. There is a scene that I have 4 pages of dialogue, just a scene. I have got 2 looks in this movie of 7 years apart, amongst all other crazy stuffs. All in all, I'm glad to play the role of Olaropo, the village sculptor, with a love story gone sour.
I played the role of Olori Agba. I am the first wife of the new and young king. I am the first love of the king before all came to taste the sweetness of our reality.
I was the last of the king's wives and the most interesting.
Otun, the king's right-hand man and advisor. I was with him in time of peace and when everything went south. I have a connection with playing a loyalist, and this is not far from my real person.
My character, Balogun, is a retired warrior. Ajagunfẹ̀yìntì la wá. Fún ìdí èyí, nígbà tógun dé, a fi sílẹ̀ fáwọn tí ò tí rogun rí. Ṣùgbọ́n a ò fìgbà kankan fi ọba wa sílẹ̀.
I doubled as a major cast and the set designer on set. It was a Herculean, but passion over everything. I am happy I wasn't told about Òpó Ọ̀ṣun. I took part in it. When the movie breaks air, you all know why.
A lot of elements in this movie to watch out for.
Òpó Ọ̀ṣun has a lot of groundbreaking elements, from unconventional shots to a mind-boggling storyline, to the lighting, the casting, the texture, and shooting approach.
Everybody know your cue. Go Kewole. This is another sweet scene. Pam pam pam.
I can't wait to share this movie with the world.
This movie speaks volume. From the actors, costumes, lighting, cinematography, set design, everything is on point. You'll be seeing your regular actors play irregular actions in this movie. I love to work with professionals, and the legendary Ojopagogo never disappoints. He takes his time to give you the best, and that's what he did with me on the set of OPO OSUN. Aisha Lawal was on a different plug. Foluke Daramola, Foluke, Oyin, Adegbenro, they all came prepared. And I think you should also look out for some breakout stars in this movie. Talking about Anike, who played Ojopagogo, talking about Olalaye, who played Olaniyi, talking about Ashabi Ademefun, talking about the King Flaky herself, talking about Femi Richard, who played Olaide, then talking about Tosin Olutoki, and of course, Omoyemi OPO OSUN Olaniyi, the producer.
We worked round the clock, had only few hours of sleep every day. But in the end, we were all proud.
I have all the equipment I needed at my disposal. The cinematography of this movie is top notch. I want to see it on Netflix.
I want to see it in cinema.
AMVCA, Oscar, anything is possible with this movie.
I want to say to my team, let's do this again.
Let's make another magic, please.
We've got something else coming next from the stable of Prodigy and Pence.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Watch out. And pay attention.
Abẹ́dọ̀